In this video, I'm going to quickly go over my new to me E55 AMG. As many of you know, I have a 2004 E55 AMG in brilliant silver. Now I just added a black 2005 E55 to the stable. A viewer of the channel got in touch with me and I ended up buying the car. This E55 has 69,000 kilometers or 43,000 miles, and it is originally a US car that was imported to Canada in 2015. The black exterior is complemented by the charcoal Napa leather interior. This car is pretty well optioned as well for a 2005 E55, as it has the panoramic roof, keyless go, Parktronic parking sensors, cooled seats, drive dynamic seats, and active cornering headlights. This being a US car, it has a few quirks compared to the Canadian car, such as the suede headliner compared to the cloth headliner of the Canadian 2004 E55. The interior is in good shape on the 05, and the dynamic seats are a lot of fun upon first impressions. The engine bay on the 05, on the black 05 car, is pretty dirty, but it's nothing that can't be cleaned. This car is in good shape, especially mechanically. However, there are a few items here and there still to fix. The first is this cracked lens on the driver's side turn signal. Also, the occupant sensor for the passenger seat does not work. These two things should be minor fixes. Also, the paintwork really needs a restorative level detail. I really like that this car is full black paint, no metallic. It's going to be a fun chance to really get this paint polished right, and the end results should be amazing. Stay tuned for more, as I'm going to make a video series on this E55 AMG. My goal is to get this car as clean as my 2004 E55, and I'm going to show every step of the way. It's going to be a series of videos on restoring and detailing the interior, the engine bay, the exterior of the car, and polishing the black paint. Then I'll do a video on driving the car. I'm really excited to start working on this E55. Leave a comment down below what I should do with this car. Maybe something restorative or a modification. Leave a comment below. Also, if you recognize this engine builder or have your own AMG built by this engine builder, definitely let me know in the comments, because I'm having trouble even reading this name. Anyways, this was just a quick video updating you on my new E55, so definitely subscribe for more on this car, and thanks for watching.